Hey there, Playmo pals, and welcome back to another Playmo AF unboxing adventure. Today, we've got a delivery in the mail from my buddy Scott, but the best part about this delivery is that we actually got two boxes. Let's check it out. All right, guys, thanks a lot for tuning in today. Hope you guys are all doing great. We are going to go ahead and open this one box, the first one here. Okay, we are in business. Let's go ahead and pull this out. Oh, yes, I do remember. Not completely, but I do remember the tower. Oh, this makes me happy. Okay, guys, we are going for the case. This is a really nice case, too. I like the latches here. So we're going to open this. Ooh. And see what's inside. Whoa. Okay, so here we have our tower, and it's pretty nice, even though it's pretty simple. We do have this nice little messed up door here. As you can see, there's a few planks missing from the wood there, which is it's designed to look like that to make it look a little bit more tattered and worn. Over to one side, we do have a window, and as you can see, it is decorated with the spider web there. The rear of the tower is interesting. Actually, I would not have expected this. There's no back, there's no wall. As you can see, it's just this little fence portion here, and it's just wide open. And the reason why they do it is because they have this ladder here, which I thought initially it was supposed to go right there, but then when I realized it has the little ladder slits here on the top, you're supposed to put the ladder inside the tower. But my complaint about this is that, you know, when you're playing with it, the set, you know, you gotta just, I don't know. I would prefer maybe the ladder and the little hatch up here to be moved over to the side, just to give your figures more room to stand, and take up the space that is in here. So it's kind of a waste in that regard. The other side of the tower has this rock formation, which is really nice, but I do like the fact that it has this little cutaway section here so you can store treasure or maybe even put a clicky in there that could be hiding. It does have a little torch holder for your included torch here. Just slide that right in there. We do have this little mound of sand that attaches to the side of the tower, and it has this hole here. It's supposed to hold a palm tree, but we did not get the palm tree with this set. But I have others. And the one that's supposed to come with the set is one of those palm trees where the tree trunk actually is it's curved, but this one's more of a straight-edged palm tree. This boardwalk section is kind of cool. So according to the pictures I've seen about the set, we do get these posts, and they go on this end here. And then on the other side, we have two identical but opposite rock formations, and they go on either side of the boardwalk. Ooh. So it kind of forms this little area, I guess. And the rocks can pivot, so you can close up the section here. But here is where you would keep the little rowboat. And of course, we only have one oar to go with it, which is kind of sad. But and yeah, we don't have the little holders for it either, which is kind of lame. So you can tell a child had this at one point, and yeah, they pretty much lost everything. So at the end of the boardwalk here, we're gonna place this little cannon here, which is really nice. It's got the projectile. We got this pretty cool looking flag. We're gonna put that right there on top of the tower. We got this random little orange barrel. I'm pretty sure it comes with the set. And we got this gun here, which, if I can rant a little bit, I really wish Playmobil would continue to make whatever rifle historically goes with whatever sets they're releasing rifles with. but that they still had the little handles so that the figures could hold them, kind of like with the old school Western ones. They were able to hold them, and you know, they would look like they were shooting. But yeah, a lot of these rifles are not created that way, which takes a lot of the playability out of the fun out of these figures and the play sets altogether. So this would be really nothing useful. You know, you might have a soldier that holds it, but they're just literally carrying it around. They're not really using it, and that it's not my favorite thing that Playmobil has done. And I get that they probably want to maintain a violent-free, you know, persona, but playability is important. And when you take that away, it's just kind of hurtful to collectors and fans and people that want to play with Playmobil. But that's my rant, guys. And we're just gonna put that right here. That looks like a good place for it. We got this thing here. I'm guessing it's got like kerosene in it, and there's a flame at the top, and it's supposed to help light up. It could probably either be used as a grenade, I don't know, or to light up the cannon for it to fire. So here, we're just gonna put it right here, right next to that wooden post. We also got this cool looking silver treasure chest. There's nothing in it, unfortunately. All right, now let's check out our newest clickies. Conquistador. A pirate captain. A one-legged pirate. There's a pirate shipman. We have a one-handed pirate. A British officer. And a British soldier. And then my favorite part of the set is that we got this clicky. This is Conquistador, and he is complete. I have a few others like him. They don't have the correct hair, they don't have the beard like this one does, and they definitely don't have the shoulder pieces that this one has. Alright, so we got a few other items with this bundle, including this bombard, this large artillery cannon. We have this really cool treasure map too that was included in the set. 2 smaller firing cannons, a few smaller miscellaneous items, including this little wooden bucket here. We've got this spare beard, which we could put on anybody really. We've got a red headband. I think I'm going to use this for my Native American set. We've got this metal post thing that you can tie your boat around to keep it safe and anchored. And then finally, check this out, we got this pirate's gun. Really cool. Alright, let's load up the cannon. It did come with 2 cannonballs, but it only holds 1. Okay, so we got this little pirate ship. I really like the colors overall. It's got kind of like the smoke gray color. It kind of looks black on camera, but in real life it's actually kind of like a dark gray, more like smoke. But I really like the green wooden interior there. That's kind of nice. It's not something you see every day. And then we've got the pirate here just to, well, a couple reasons. Just for scale, but also because he's got the little anchor here by his feet, so you can put it in between his feet and he'll stay steady, especially if you have the ship floating in the pool or in a pond or whatever. It just keeps the clickies from falling over. Over here in the front end we have an anchor. Now the anchors are no longer made of metal, they are now plastic, which is kind of disappointing, but I guess for cost cutting in the manufacturing of the toys, it kind of makes sense. At the top of the mast we do have this little blue flag, which I think is pretty cool. The mast itself, unfortunately, is broken right there. I'm not 100% certain, but I do believe this was in the shape of a hook from which to hang a lantern. We have a working rudder in the back, as well as another pirate, as you can see here. But it just pivots to the left and the right. Here's our sail, pretty cool. Now the boat does have the little attachment at the bottom here, so you can attach one of those little motors so you can float it in your tub or in your swimming pool. Well, after doing a little bit of research here, I just found out that this case, including everything you are seeing in front of it, is actually from the Pirates with Cannon Treasure Boat Carrying Case, set number 5894. And it originally had 37 pieces. We are missing quite a few, as you can tell. Well guys, a little bit of research can go a long way. This is actually what Playmobil set 5919 looks like. This is the set that these two pirates come from, as well as these two British soldiers, although there's supposed to be a third soldier included. That looks pretty much like this one here. Playmobil is pretty notorious for reusing sets, so this was a very welcome addition. I do like this one actually a lot better than the previous set, even if it's a little bit incomplete. This set was also supposed to come with a skeleton, but no haystack for it. The pirate scene here is from the Playmobil Special Plus set number 4767. This is the gloomy pirate with treasure chest. He also comes with a little pet monkey and of course his cutlass, which is not pictured here because there's quite a few pieces missing from all these sets we got. This one here is from the Pirates Special set. This is a 2007 release. This is supposed to be Pirate One Eye, who also dons a blue bandana. He does come with this silver treasure chest, much like the one that we got with the guard tower and pirate ship set. And there you have it, everyone. This was a really nice set, and I really thank Scott, my buddy Scott, whom I've known for forever, for getting me another Playmobil set. Guys, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more Playmobil content. Don't forget you can follow us on Instagram. Check us out at playmo.af. We got more on the way, guys. We got a special episode coming up very soon, so stay tuned for that. Until then, everybody have a great day. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.